Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Spent last week in Las Vegas. This is going to be our experience at the Cathedral, the brand new restaurant at the Aria. So as you can see, this restaurant is right up front, right next to Catch in the main lobby of the Aria. Beautiful decor. Of course, everything's brand new. It's very dark, very intimate. Not a very big space. So this is a French Mediterranean style restaurant. It opened up with some breadsticks, and then they followed that up with the softest, freshest bread and butter that you can imagine. So we tried a couple of cocktails on this trip. I'm going to throw the descriptions and names up on the screen along with the prices. And then to start off the meal, we ordered the omelet, which is a very unique appetizer for dinner, but it was incredible. Moving into the main entrees, I had the escargot butter steak, Shannon had the branzino fish, and then we shared a nice side. We tried saving room for dessert, but all we could handle was an espresso martini to finish off the meal. Here's the final check from the Cathedral just to set your expectations on when you go in. This was an excellent meal. We hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.